Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Malibu LT. Stock number Z8149XX. Only 24,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Silver ice metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years, or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Malibu is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And a removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Get to read gauges with driver information system. Again, only 24,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large Chevy MyLink touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Malibu is a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.